Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to create a form in Monday.com. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser, search for Monday.com, and sign in your account. So once you've done that, just go ahead and go to your workspace and select your board, okay? Or any workspace that you have. Now, what you need to do is to click on the plus sign right here at the upper part of your screen and select form. Okay, so if you don't see the form option, just go ahead and click on more views and search for the form right here and click on add to board. Okay, now let's just go ahead and click on form. So let me just go ahead and wait for this one. Okay, so now you need to have the premium plan to create a form here on monday.com. Okay, so what you need to do is to just go ahead and name your form right here. Sorry, the question type. Okay, so you can upload your logo, your name the name of the form right here, then description. Okay, so here just go ahead and type anything you want, the status, date. Okay, so once you've done that, you can just go ahead and click on preview to see what your form looks like. Okay, so just like that. Okay, so now just go ahead and click on publish if you are happy with your form. Okay, and that is how you create a form in monday.com. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.